Oh yeah, I see something out there.
See him?
Yep. Oh yeah, we got him, Ted.
I got him.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, they're nice, bro.
You are down there.
Look, they're nice.
Oh, no.
We can get plenty, bro. Good call coming over here, dog. Got that boy, yeah, with us. We got some healthy ones. We finna get some more. You see them bitches in there? They schooling up. Lemon peppers.
No.
Lemon peppers. Chef said, no, y'all can't see them lemon peppers, boy. He said them crusty crab 13s. Alright, let's see. See them greens, cuz? That's what we use in Greenbacks. Best bait out there. See them shits? Here, Shabao. See if I can. Might go over there. What the fuck is this guy doing? Ted, what the fuck is this dude doing? Bro, he almost just ate them fucking rocks. Oh shit. If we're desperate.
Oh, in China, yeah.
Desperate, we'll use them bad boys, but
Yeah.
we ain't that desperate today.
Something to eat them though, but
Yeah.
not many things.
Oh yeah. And that bad boy schooling. What you think, Tev? A couple dozen?
Oh yeah.
Maybe a dozen and a half. We get another good cast, bro.
Yeah,
We'll be in there.
Just get another one of those and we straight.
Might need to show y'all how Tev hook that hoe.
Yeah, let me get this hook. Show y'all how to hook a green bite.
Show them how to hook a green bite.
So usually I'll just put it through the nasal cavity. That is nasal cartilage, I mean, and
Simple as that, bro.
yeah.
If you fuck the nose up, you could put it through the tail.
Yeah, definitely
You
the
know what I'm
tail
saying?
would be a good place. But yeah, it's just so you
That
can stay
bit.
lively and
Woo!
doesn't have much nerve. So if you like to hurt fish and stuff,
Yes,
it
sir.
won't hurt them too much.
Always free line. I don't know if y'all heard him. We don't use no weights, no steel leaders, no swivels, nothing. No fucking weights, bro. Free line, dog. Straight free line. That been a little chilly today, boy. That been a little frosty. Oof. Oof. Hey, you know it's crocodiles down here now? Bro, I'm dead serious. In Miami, there's like a good 1,000. I'm not even bullshitting, bro. Just need Yev to catch some. We both, what they got in that boat? They transporting peasies, boy. They got some peasies in that thing. Alright then. Don't wave back then, brother. Follow my YouTube channel. Follow my tube. Telling Ted, follow the tube, bro. Hey, shit. At least if there is crocs out here, and we get, hey, that's footage, bro. I just gotta, you know, throw you the cam. Oh shit, he might go. Oh, he getting a bite. Yeah, getting a bite. Take him. Take him. I see him messing with that motherfucker. You was by them rocks too? There's gotta be a snapper or something. Yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is. Hey, be careful, because he might take you in the rocks if it's a snapper. There go them boats. Damn, you ever had one, boy?
My whole setup gone.
Damn, he took that whole shit. No, for real, he took the whole thing?
Yeah.
The leader and everything? Oh, he took you in the rocks. Damn.
Yeah, he did. I think it was a snapper.
Tev just had a... Tev had a smacker on there. Tev just had the slapper, man. You think a snook? Oh, shit, I hope so, boy. We about to get some, man. We gotta get some, man. I ain't gonna let that motherfucker set us up, boy. I'm gonna set this hook, so I'm gonna hit this motherfucker, bro. I'm setting the motherfucking hook, boy. Switch the view up for y'all. Y'all can see the beach over there. That's where we was just at on that bridge. This spot is nice, bro. This Little Harbour spot. They go to the beach. Oh shit, they got tours. Y'all check this out. They got motherfucking boat tours. Yeehaw! Y'all see that? They got motherfucking latitude tours. See if y'all can see that shit. Can y'all see it? Island Vibes, Ruskin, Florida, man. Check them out, bro. Why not? Check them out. Get on a pontoon with it into the sunset. Motherfucking yee-hoo! Trying to get some for y'all, man. I'm gonna put emphasis, bro. This ain't my pole. This shit kind of heavier, like way heavier than what I use. So yeah, I'm not used to this. I probably can't cast it too well, all that, but we still gonna catch some shit, bro. When I get my poles, bro, y'all gonna see how pro fishermen motherfucking fish.